Welcome to this recording for the Unit 2 project on proofs. I've gone ahead and downloaded my copy so that I can show you how to do this. When you open your project, you will see that you have two links. One is the Google Slide link. The other is the PowerPoint link. Depends on which one you want to work in. I am going to work in the Google Slide link. The first slide that you will see gives you instructions on how to submit your assignment. The second slide gives you instructions on how to submit your assignment if you're using slides. The difference between this and this is you're going to find your PowerPoint on your computer. Your Google Slides is a link, which you're going to find right here in Share. Notice that when I click the share, I need to make sure to say anyone with the link can view it, and then I can copy the link. I'm going to go ahead and put my name in on my slide 4. Then I'm going to tell my teacher what I already know about proofs. I might tell my teacher that I know that proofs are solving something or showing how to do something. For example, if it says I'm given 2 and 2, and my goal is to get to 4, then I'm going to say 2 and 2 is given, right? So that's what we've been working on. So what I know about proofs is what? That I'm given a hypothesis and I'm trying to get to a conclusion, and all of the stuff in between are my statements of how to get there. This needs to be a paragraph. Whoops. All right, so this is going to be a paragraph. Then you're going to tell me, we've been talking about how card games and arguments are related to proofs. They kind of are proofs. So you're going to tell me what I know about card games is that there is usually a winner. And the game is played by giving you the first card, right? It's just the one that was given to you, just like in a proof. And you are trying to win with the last card. Make sure this is a paragraph as well. Then you get to your first 2-column proof. So for your first 2-column proof, you notice that the blue 0 is given to you. There's nothing you can do about that. That was what was played. So it was played, and this is how you know. Then you go to the next card that you want to play. Notice there's multiple ways that you can do this. For me, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play the blue 2. This is what I'm going to do, the what. So in math, what did you do? And then why did you do it? Because the rule says, because the rule says that I can play the same color. So my reason is the same color. Then I don't have anything here that's the same color or the same number, so I'm going to play a wild card, and I'm going to play that to change the color. All right, so I'm going to play that to change the color. Then I'm going to play, I don't know, how about the green 0 this time? because it's the same color as what I picked with the wild. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to play the green 7 because it's the same color. And I'm going to play the green 5 because it's the same color. And then I'm going to play the yellow 5. But notice that I'm not playing the yellow 5 because it's the same color. I'm playing the yellow 5 because, look, the rule says I can play it if it's the same number. So I'm going to go ahead and play that because it's the same number. Then I'm going to play the red 5 because it's the same number as well. We never, ever, ever say, because that's the proof that I'm the winner. Not in a card game or in a proof. We want to say I was able to play that. Why? Because it's the same number. Now, I have the same set of cards, but notice it says that I need to show at least 2 ways. So here I need to show a different way. I'm still given the blue 0, so I can put that there. And I still need to prove the red 5, so I can go ahead and put this here. But this is my paragraph proof. Now I can use this same paragraph that my teacher gave me, or I can put my own paragraph in here. I'm going to say since blue 0 is the same color as the, no, actually I'm going to change this up a little bit. I'm going to do a different way. I'm going to say since it's the same number as the, let's see, green 0, we can play it next. Then we can play the green 5 since it's the same color as the, notice it's the same color as the green 0 that I just played. Then we can play the red 5 since it's the same number as the green 5. And I'm the winner. I don't even need any of that stuff anymore because I just played my last card right here, which is the red 5, and I played that by using my green 5 here. All right, remember you can always pause this video if you'd like to see how I did that. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one. I showed you the 2-column proof. You don't have to do this 2-column proof. It does say to show 2 ways, so I would suggest doing it. That's up to you. Since I already showed you how to do a 2-column proof, I'm going to skip to the flowchart proof for quickness of this video. So there's a couple different ways you can put in your givens and your flowchart here. I'm not going to type, but you can double click on here and type in the green 1. And then here, this is going to be your reason. So green 1 was my given. I'm going to go from the green 1 to the red 1. And the reason why is because it is the same number. Now I need to go ahead and move my arrow so that it points to the next one. And then let me kind of clean up my space just a little bit. These were given to me so that I didn't have to copy and paste them everywhere, but they're kind of in my way. So I'm going to copy and paste that so I can go from there to down here, just like that with my arrow. And I'm going to say, I'm going to go from the green the green 1 to the red 1, and then I think I'll go ahead and go to the blue 1 here, or to the blue 0. Oh, that was weird. 1. That's so weird that it's changing when I type on it. Okay, Hopefully you guys are seeing that in the video and it's not just my eyes. That was the weirdest thing. Okay, so instead of that's messing me up big time. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna type in here that it is the same number. Not sure what my slides are doing. Weirdest thing ever. All right. And then since this right here is a 1, I can go ahead and play the blue 0 next as the same color. And I'm going to use my arrow, copy, paste to go from the 1, there we go, to the 0. And then I'm going to play my yellow 0 because it is the same number. And that gets me right where I need to be with this proof. I'm going to go ahead and use my arrow. There we go. All right. This slide, and this slide. So all 3 of these slides are for extra credit. You can choose to do them if you want to. The way that you complete them is by using each one of these. You can Control copy and then Control V, Control C, and then Control V to paste it. Or you can right click copy and then you can right click paste and resize it to whatever size you would like it to be in order to complete your project. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a fabulous weekend.